In this video, I will show you how to generate barcode in Google Docs like this. So to generate barcode in your Google Docs, firstly click on Insert, then Table and select 2 by 2, 2 by 10 or what you need here like this. Now type here your barcode name, like for example I need shipment code, so I will generate barcode for this shipment code. Here type barcode. Now here type your barcode. Now here copy and paste here. Now to generate barcode, select it and in Arial click on more fonts and search here Liber barcode 39. This one, select it, then click on OK. Now select it and here find out Liber barcode 39. Now you make some more style. So select this one, select, then make changes, change the size, make it center like this. So this is the way you can generate barcode in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.